You are about to practice beginner's yoga for weight loss. Welcome to Fightmaster Yoga. I'm Leslie Fightmaster. If you're new to this practice, be extra gentle and nice to yourself. You might make some mistakes. Sometimes you might not even be able to keep up, and it's totally okay. Yoga is practice. It is not perfection. If you find something challenging, keep practicing it and you'll be amazed by the results. Don't compare and despair. Just do your best, let go of the results, and enjoy yourself.
And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and push the like button because you are perfect just the way you are.
Hi, I'm Ellie Ong from Key West, Florida, and you're practicing Fightmaster Yoga.
Let's begin sitting up nice and tall. Close your eyes and breathe in and out through your nose whenever possible. Try and keep your inhale and exhale equal in length. Relax your shoulders and your jaw. Feel your sitting bones ground down and lengthen up through your spine, bringing hands together in front of the heart. May our practice bring us into the present moment, quiet the mind, showing us our best selves. And then roll yourself forward and then make your way into child's pose, but keep the arms extended in front with the elbows straight, shoulders distance apart. Spread your fingers and press into the base of your fingers. Then inhale, come up onto your knees, bring your chest forward, lift your chin and tailbone up. Then exhale, round the back, chin toward chest, pull the belly in, take hips all the way back to the heels. We'll do that again. Inhale, come forward, bring your chest through, lifting chin and tailbone. Exhale, round the back, and take your hips back to your heels. Once again, inhale, come up onto the knees. Bring your heart forward through the gates of the arms as you drop the belly. Exhale, pull the belly in and up, rounding the back. Take your hips back to your heels. Pausing here a moment, stretch back. Now inhale, back up onto the knees. Turn your inner elbows forward and then tuck your toes and come to down dog. Arms, shoulders distance, feet hips width, and then begin to bend one knee and the other. Bicycling your legs. Keep pressing into the base of your fingers, lifting your forearms up. Bend both knees, stick your hips way up high. Keep the spine long as you stretch out through your legs. Your knees might not straighten, that's fine. Keep the arms and ears in line. Remember, come onto your knees and rest at any time. Look forward, inhale to plank pose and take your knees down, but pull your belly in and press away from the floor. Exhale, lift the knees if you can. Take them down to the mat at any time if it becomes too much. Lengthen your sitting bones to the heels. Pull your belly in and up and keep your breath nice and steady. Crown of the head reaching forward. Heels pressing back. Keep breathing here. Exhale, lift your hips and stretch again into downward facing dog pose. Spreading the fingers, pressing down into the base of the fingers, lifting up through the forearms. Look forward again to plank pose. Remember, knees come down here. You can keep them down the whole time or lift them up. Depending on how you're feeling today, do what's best for your body. Draw your belly in, lengthen the crown of your head forward. Draw your shoulder blades gently away from your ears and towards your waist. Breathe. Take your knees down and now shift your shoulders forward about an inch. Hug your elbows into the sides as you lower to your belly. Bring your hands by your low ribs, elbows up. Inhale, peel your chest up. Press all 10 toenails down. Lift your belly. Breathe here. And then tuck your toes as you exhale. Press up, keeping the knees down. And then lift them up and stretch yourself back to downward facing dog. Draw your belly in and up at the bottom of each exhale to engage and strengthen your belly. Inhale again to plank pose. This is very good for strength. Take the knees down, roll over onto your right side. Keep your right knee down or lift the right leg up. side plank. Stretch up through the left arm. Bring your left hip gently forward. Remember, your bottom knee can stay down the whole time. You can always work up to lifting it later. Bring your left hand to your hip and then come back to plank pose and take your knees down. Now we'll roll over to the left side. Right arm up, right leg extends. You can also extend the left leg up. That's going to be more difficult, something to work toward. Bring your right hip gently forward. Draw your shoulder blades away from the ears and engage your belly muscles by pulling the belly in and up. Firm your legs. Everything nice and tight, hugging muscles to bones. Come back to plank pose and take the knees down. Shift forward, lower, exhale all the way to your belly. Hands by low ribs. Inhale again to peel your chest up, lengthen your butt to your heels. Tuck your toes, press up, keeping the knees down, and then lift the knees for down dog. You may even get to the point where you're on your belly and you can press straight up to plank without your knees down. Look forward, walk your feet forward to your hands. Inhale, bring your hands to shins or above the knees, look up. Exhale, fold, bend your knees as much as needed. Press through your feet, inhale, and reach all the way up. Arms reaching. Exhale, bring them down. Come to the front of your mat with your feet together or hip socket distance apart. Make sure the outer edges of your feet are parallel. Draw your belly in. Inhale. Sit back and reach your arms up. Chair pose. Weight into the heels. Drop your tailbone down and lift your belly in and up. Come on up to standing and then lift off your heels if you can. You might wobble like I did. Then exhale, sink back again into chair. Lengthen sitting bones down. Pull the ribs and belly in. Inhale, straighten the legs. Lift your heels, reach up tall. Exhale, sit back, heels down. Weight in the heels, inner thighs spinning down toward the mat. Reach up through the arms, shoulder blades relax. Inhale, come to stand, lift those heels up one more time. Exhale, set them down. Turn and face the long side of your mat and step your feet out wide. Take your arms at shoulder height. If you could grow really long fingers, fingers would reach ankles. Turn the right leg all the way out. Back toes in. Bend the knee over the ankle. Take your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm up and over. Make sure your right heel intersects your left arch. If possible, lift your right arm gently off the leg. That's going to be more work. Make sure the knee is pointed right over the middle toes and is over your ankle the whole time. Press into the heel. Come up. Warrior 2. Straighten the leg. Feet to parallel, left leg all the way out, back toes in, line up heel to arch. Exhale, bend the left knee over the ankle. Lean forward, left forearm to left thigh. Reach your right arm up and over. Press into your front heel, maybe lifting that left arm, wrapping your belly. So you're not pressing the arm on the leg. It's a little more challenging. Do what you can. Press to the outer edge of your back foot. Front heel down, come up, warrior 2. Straighten the leg. Take your feet to parallel, then right leg out again. Heel to arch still, bend the knee. One more time, lean forward, right forearm to right thigh. Reach the left arm over. Keep your forearm down or hold onto your belly. Breathe in and out through the nose. Make sure that knee is right over your ankle. Keep it pointed straight ahead, so move the knee toward the little toe side of the foot. Come on up. Feet to parallel, left leg out. Make sure you're still heel to arch. Exhale, bend the knee over the ankle. Lean forward, left forearm down, right arm up and over. And maybe holding onto your belly. A little more work. Make the knee in line with the middle toes, so move it toward the little toe side of your foot, the bent knee. Inhale, come on up. And bring your feet to parallel, and then walk your feet together and turn to face the front of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up, keep your ribs in. Exhale, hinge from your hip creases, spine long as you fold forward. Inhale, look up, flatten out your back. Exhale, step yourself back to plank, but with the knees down. Then sit your hips off to one side, sweeping your legs in front of you. So you're sitting right on your bottom. Sit up nice and tall. Hold your hands behind your knees and pick your feet up. Keep your chest lifted. You can hold it behind the knees the whole time or reach arms forward. Reaching arms forward is a little more challenging. Pull your belly in a lot. Keep your spine nice and long. Breathe. Release your feet down. Relax a moment. I'm going to do it again. Lifting up. Hold on behind the knees. Keep your chest open and lifted and your spine long. Reach your arms forward if that's not too much work. If you want to work a little harder, bring your arms up by your ears. But make sure your back doesn't begin to round. So pull your belly in, take your arms back down and your feet back down. And then slowly roll yourself onto your back. Walk your heels underneath the knees, arms by your sides. Inhale, press into the heels, lift up into bridge, low back and mid back, maybe the upper back. Roll the shoulders under, maybe interlacing fingers if that's possible. Spiral your thighs in toward each other. Lengthen your sitting bones toward the backs of your knees. Release and lower. Hug your knees into your chest. Take your feet back to the ground. Knees are bent. Take your hips over to the right. Drop your knees to the left. And look over your right shoulder. A little twist. Great for your spine. A nice way to cool down. Inhale back to center. Hips to the left and knees to the right. Look over the left shoulder. Breathe here. Evening out your inhales and your exhales through the nose. Bring your head to center and your knees to center. Lengthen your sitting bones toward the backs of the knees and stretch out your legs. Let your feet flap open. Close your eyes. Relax. Our quote today comes from Kimberly Jones. Don't let people pull you into their storm. Pull them into your peace. We're going to take a few moments here, just relaxing, with your eyes closed, natural breathing. Let your feet completely relax. Your shins and your calves, heavy and relaxed. Your legs, heavy, relaxed. Release and soften your hips, your pelvis. Relax your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Relax your hands, your arms, your chest, your shoulders, your jaw. Release the tongue from the roof of your mouth. And take a long inhale and begin to stretch your arms overhead. Bend your knees, roll off to your right side, and thank yourself for taking your practice. Make your way back to seated, hands at heart center. Bring your hands to your forehead to remind you to have clear and loving thoughts. And your hands to your heart to remind you to have clear and loving intentions. And your hands to your mouth, reminding you to have clear and loving communications, sending positive energy to all beings everywhere. Namaste means the light in me recognizes and honors the light in you.
You did a great job today, my yoga friend. If you like that video, I have something else for you that's gonna get you super strong, because it's all about the core and the abs, and that strength goes all through your body. I have a free gift for you. It's a 10-minute ab-centric focused class that will get you so strong, and all you've got to do is click the link below, or I'll pin it at the top of the comments. Enter your name and your email address, and I'm going to send it right over. It's free, it's for you, it's going to get you strong, and you're going to feel good.
I'm so glad you took your practice today. Hope you feel better. Practice as often as you can. Have a lot of beginners videos on Fightmaster Yoga, or you can go to fightmasteryoga.com and practice there. Most importantly, do what you can. It doesn't matter how deep you get into a stretch. It doesn't matter how long you stay. Do your best. Forget the rest. And feel better. Now don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and you will not miss any videos. If you enjoyed today's video, push the like button and leave a comment and let me know what other kinds of beginners videos that you would like to see, or if you have any questions about your yoga practice, leave those in the comments below. And most importantly, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye.